Eden sem amu ede abegu abonten efa yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu bawumia ho. Yebeka se party of NPP very lucky say you 1.4 wo fie na enema ekoso mbeso no betumi a kire omo adwen na omodi nyansa ato emabunu no yetim na dey take a decision on the behalf of decisions you take for the party. Yewra je Kuffour akansen bebira afa yewra bawumia ho mepese me no nyina yenko nkonche na infanti yese opanyini ewo fia na eye eha ye ras media on subscribe make subscribe na fa on sesi adomasra me the video tuma be one of the first people amon sabeka na wabeboa me di dwumadie no atoto so yenko ne nkoti yewra je Kuffour ne nsema ode abegu abonten
and just as a politician Central Bank of Ghana so time for that the meeting be on London as president and the Bank of Ghana governor come home and chief international conference bankers politicians but for in your quite some much radio paper be no paper can you sometimes the politics no research assistant to the governor of the Bank of Ghana on finance and economy or Kasai Nadia Okaino. I saw him way 2003 wow. Kasai. Of course, in the day, busy and politics, but on Aquadandia. I could like it was now conference cases and on Aquadan or Casan to Aquatans and I'm saying Aquadan or by the man of Musa, then Wakam. A thousand was any conference on costing the Najmay. Now, or that bank, bank, in Mojman, a conference. And or Darcy, Aquatans, there will be a conference no 2003. So back at time number buying Hippic. Sure. Began to call Hippic. Ya pentama you gonna free Hippic bank IMF Ghana Fuaka. Yes. Now that me as a man to honor the research assistant for the governor of the Central Bank. By Bank Governor Dr. Polako in the Yajuma. And Pastor Ghana free Hippic in record time. And Kuffour can say they are called IMF 17 times. So much we say Kuffour Hippic no bana Hippic no. Okay. Ghana was insolvent. Obi amwe abose. And inti ne Kuffour can say me anka no kure. Hippic. Ya nshisha yesika semi Ghana obi moye abose akra say. Kuffour they are 2 years 3 months now. So within a short time, Lakshisha Ghana free Hippic. The free mono. A can a Ghana a Ghana so. And cancellation of debts. Yes. In the first instance, in Kuffour brought $2 billion, so not million, billion dollars. $2,000 million. Bank of Ghana, Dr. Polakwa, na government. And research na bawumia by 2003-4 near Chem. And in the free Ghana, a Mayan Shishay. So Ghana by 2006, na Ghana a middle income. Or cutting. And until 4 years later, me France bear 2006. Deputy governor vacancy abaho. Not the governor no be hunumi castle. When I'm fanning deputy governor. Nipa me castle and famano. Me money business. No so I've been bank no yeah mama another bank. Okay. Mr. Famano. Some no can say. Young pharmacy no crown commonia. I be and 2 days. Na Babon to the sign if I don't come say any deputy governor. bank Kuffour bi a chief executive.
Oh.
And the governor Paula Kwasambe who say nipa no akasa nkenya on na say
Any new position.
Nti enya nden penifo wa bank no wadi din bi buy. Me hwe din akoda bi no a London no kan.
Oh he.
No boba umi ade. Oh ya adwuma zo adwuma fa. Farmer.
Wow.
So no be deputy governor.
Oh, just like that.
Obeyan so oya adwuma. Mobeka cedi be nya hodina ni dollar. O di cedi ba ko to a nya dollar ni. This is akura wachiri. Na okati no. Nti akoda yi. Abakwachiri. 2 years later, 2008, Nimra also received former as president. Kuffour Addo candidate.
Yes.
Party Akosia Kuffour Aliza Hotel. The you say candidate, so I will now train you.
Obi abetimi na ye.
When I didn't back over Nakobo Bawumia sat time now on Shepherd, one day bank note.
Wow.
Kuffour Addo Scotland Sakoda Korea. No buyer. Ono so be Kuffour Addo. When said 2008, I didn't have to me na me afem. Bawumia kwa ya Jumama African Development Bank.
Yes.
When did not call Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Country by IMF and African Development Bank country rep. Waya Juma 2012 Nana Addo Sanfre Bawumia so no ne beko. When him says that time African Development Bank can you notice ban. Your friend Mr. Kaberuka and so free one day say honum baby Tanzania. Can you know Bakasa say wakwada anu a mo se be say party for no be no run me. Mr. to akwada from Montana Bank mu na waya de.
I was all keeping on.
Na Bawumia no onim sa panyin me so but me timani was obeye run me no sa bag. And obey obia nim ye kukoso court nsam no wadi atira and eventually obey vice president of Ghana. Obey vice president of Ghana and afi candidates in so akoto no so. Metia no no Bawumia ba me fiase okokasa for UPS bank university.
Yes.
No person me wo. Ba me ban no why me ban. Me kwa na me me kokasa. Me drew hall nipa hall kakaka nipa ma. Oh na MP very no yeah MC no or the America bam ho. Oh Mr. President obakasa na so mama say me bekasa. Abu me ba na also obakasa me metie. Say na kasa dia say am pesa dia na sina Kuffour Addo same so to kwan.
Yes.
Mrs. Kuffour Addo netia ne party pani bi. Nti we wura ibekasa mini panina mabepio nti nka bibi. Edwene ya ne sim tum se ne akoda mi si hu no. Na se ne ya campaign bi ni ade na ba bi ni wa bedo nti na me say person of destiny. Man of the moment because Sanamaka crossroads no nkwantana no Ghana ba bi e wo no yewo nyame abɔ mani ye yewo nyama nipa ne sabe gudi asase mu ade ne ade nyina nemu ya nyam manager ya nye obi a ya de hye ne sɛ obetimi akeka si agunu a wanhwa ne antena nti na mka sɛ akoda no mesra Ghana man mu me hwɛ ne ye me antuno ntune ne de ade ne janwa kakra ma hunu
Obetimi ayi.
Okay, akalan. Papa.
Yes, enti miwia be ma miwia ba. Yewura J Kuffour ena yate na num asem concerning hwan ene Dr. Bawumia. Na ene mate se Kennedy Japan Kuffour no asha ase ye videos on the media. Nsema papa yi kan bia no mo nwene ho. Na mbom de omo kan se Bawumia wo fie ewo Kumase ewo fie ewo se Santa Hills so ewo fie ewo Tamarenia Airport entini Bawumia eba party eba politics so oba be bokro no nyesa nka ontumi nyesa fie no miya ba ma obi oye deputy governor of a bank, of a central bank. Enti efie miensa eno ntumi fa ni sika nsi. Deputy governor of a central bank. Tie ni ye. Na kana Japan kura business toton and all your so 247 houses. But to be a deputy central government, Central Bank of Ghana, deputy governor. Was saying any IMF for a year, Juma. Say any pan on to me and Femiansa. Now, on to me and Femiansa, our Ghana Maimo. I think say a session to qua a funowa na kauniaki kakeka. No, I'm a dynamic more quabapa. Yes, and to qua funowa na to any kakeka. Say when you some papa can. And I'm so to me be one can send be a because Dr. Bawumia Babontain Abekase, or no dear. One my politics is or baby Yane home. Now, no party or politics say, or ba na wabe dang. Wabe serve one answer, wabe bois. I'm all mine. I fall into my perfida. And I'm saying, Kuffour in the message, it makes sense. And our mon cancer man, a best resound at the rules of the party. Dr. Kansamba Kubia na Kuffour yafa. No Masha say finding a ways and a manner to denigrate the image of the man, telling him say Obwa about politics over be Yesika. Sabi Oyenyina yenye pe obi na nimo nyam nyina ene se obenya sika obi nso na nimo nyam ene se obeye bibi papa e wo society mu amaya bonity mpa enti se o master na efe ne Kennedy no ni aim or the bar politics ene se oba benya sika na ye de contract ma amanfo ne omoko edidi omo atem e wo TV so a ene nkyere se every politician biano, the only aim and say obey our mind and also obeying business aye with the man. So I beg to differ say Ken Kuffour Mr. Moa Munyai dear Moyano na moyesa na you are actually exposing your leader. Mulida no ni trima draina enipa ensem fata as a leader no and na mu showcase because you are admitting say muli dano eba politics so ba no hayden waba wabenyane ho enti ene na ye margine enti you cannot think beyond say somebody else can be in politics ya na ideas no more of serving, creating, providing, finding solutions and becoming a legendary politician. Because mo amoka sama kene Japan nyina mafu ena modenam ye mo benya di ne ena mo dwene ho because papa bi atua sika mamo or the way mamo ha until you don't think with your brain but mo de mafu na dwen ena mo de kasa enti Dr. Waka he came into politics to serve, not to enrich himself, because enkaye about enriching himself as a deputy governor of a state, he would have make all the monies that he wants to make in his life without not coming to politics to make that money. Enti Kennedy Japan communicators munya jimino na mama mo leader nan Kenya nsema ene ahiafo no aye ahiafo no one yen ebeye consolidate ebeye joint ebeye our message yadwene ene yaso e party na munyai personal attack on a leader what showcases a leader not only today even years back before Nanado's time and after even Nanado's time yenko suna yento asuna yenko yanim na yemfansem foforo mra me ma me da na pia bona Dominican kate mi yokwesi Samoa me chia oyepa muba achimo mal me chia gabase hambar me chia ma so den twim chia paurina da e won so me chia oyepa na kwaku bentel on so much ye pa. Abusian for asem foforo na ene fire for fire no abem. Yes, papa be friend asante boatens asante boachio. Oni might be on also I don't what is the name? Yabuabia Samoa. Yabuabe Paco we have seen. Omonso ababonten keka discriminatory comment binom to say bawumia ye foreign na hwan ne enkwasi akeka nko na internet no so ayeshipa. And what was me my country was say I want to keep this platform very decent in a sense say even if we talk about somebody young corner Jimmy Kwasia Abwa yes I platform no so enye de enti ya Boabia Samoa and Asante Boateng or Asante Boachi whatever be the name omwa meet their meetapa and then on Movement TV Dr. Bawumia communicator bi be PM go ho na ensema waka fa ya Boabia Samoa ene Asante Boateng eho e wo so mpe bi ntie me be bo akiro na enchechiremu so odi aba about why you don't have to stay on your comfort zone and say nonsense about people almost serve in the party yes be almost serve to say me a microphone camera chi America say yo enkrofo mo wasted their time and money resources energies and intellect and their intelligence. And they are several countries for about several partners for almost 20 years now. How dare you call them foreigners? Now they ever call near quakuti videos no. Yaba na atwaso. Ade ba kwa maybe say like video no na share na ma adofo fo nso enya bintie. Yaba twaso back into the studio. Yen come na sesia.
Amampeni dada John Ejekum Kuffour ono no the ambetu e fa tre yen because o makọ hoda obi na nim ni pa okọ betumi aye adwuma no Manuel
Era Asante Boateng me amete asamo kan no I was very disappointed. But before I proceed, no, so my friend Chias Rokodima, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. All right. Name you Kuffour Hajan Samira Bawumia. Enemy boss, Krobia Kwabena Asante.
Tago.
Na daru minti.
Only external producer.
Yes. Na daru minti ne mediti. Meti say you Asante Boateng eka asemo. You dream me because we share nimfie a wodi. About life aside the political life where we player na me expect to say nanka akrebi in that particular camp no and nanka o make such an utterance nanka ono penia ni yifi no nanka on frɛ akra ni tunfo said ye wo kan ye no sebi yen kasasa ba se wo peni timi gina simpie so e ka semi dia na sebi etwetwe aso se unim se baby a odi MP Asante Achim South Bogu, which is in the central Ashanti region. Se okasasa na sebi Asante a otino onti Asante ase. Onti Asante mabreni am Asante mani ase. Inti Ujidi said he's not even fit to represent the people of Asante Achim South. Yeah. Opa Asante memua ye wasembia yotaka. Yes, you being chill be as was Asante. Be say ye the dodo and ye chikru. And a whole also and ye chikru. When him say, Opa Asante amambre mua, Ubricon for noche. Or Techera Asante Maisi, when ya Asante.
Yeah. Of the Club, yes. Okuga. And
Tiana Asante. One what in Abedani MP of one of the constituencies in Ashanti region. Asante aye nyedi to ye ho. Obi a ochechere Asante man si homa Asante man be Asante man ya ene ye nyedi to ye ho no. Se nipa kro na nya Asante ni. Na so enam no so ama Asante abedani Asante ene. Enti ahoho eye nkrofo bia if yen ka se doctor mpo ye hoho a ye di ahoho benefit of ahoho. now my main fan coach trust and next Sunday intimation my young brother trust
Good.
the Old Testament the story of Joseph Joseph ni nua no maton no edema Misrim fo okogina okọ Misrim no okoya akoda afiase ofiri fiase ebedane the prime minister of Egypt adentia ni nimdie adie bi osom da yehu nya otimi ka kire what's the name ohine etsom da Pharaoh som da yehu ya otimi kire ase kire Pharaoh hwe ne nkrofo mu nyinem no se da bi wo a wo ye hoho no so wo wetimi a kire nsem yimu adam you also have solutions to them.
Okay, whole Egypt.
Yes.
Na akwa oya onde no ya kwabrubro.
No nya akwa mpo, no ye prisoner.
Sir, ye ton no and okoda prison.
Yes.
Then from prison to prime minister.
Yes. Now my New Testament mumbu. Okay, Paul. Now Paul persecute Christians. Paul ni Christian you. Paul wasn't part of the early disciples of Christ. Never. Na otinsi Christopher di omuni eku bo be encounter Christ no ene Paul odo na wo ba trosem na wa tro krase obi a na santima ye won say bi Paul a wan bantem
yeah,
this is obi na on G Christ mpondi ahokwo de chichiri ku enti the issue say oh doctor enye this year now we brought him in and we honored him no we didn't honor him we were even privileged to have him
okay Joseph asemi
yes
ya na man for ka well ya kremoni be
yes
Joseph he for na Nyankopon fa o so save Joseph offer kremofo so ne save Joseph ebra ni nuanu de nto amna mu no
yes
no ebisi enkuno no wo mu yi no omo ton no ma nkremofo enti by that time Nyankopon de nkremofo no kopie ho se be mbe save Joseph amada chi Israel fo so nyankwa
na Israel so na Egypt so nyankwa sa enti say about the issue say ya anan we never honored him we were privileged to have him and then so obaya na dey share in same say vice president your friend said the now Danka Kuffour pray in 2008 and even in 2008 he was the deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana he sacrificed ebedane ne running mate anya ye onya kwenya koye adwuma African Development Bank 2012 yes our friend nanka wanya ni bibidio Bibia hano by a sa friend MPP sa friend is on sambra bi mu o sa ba ye ja na dwuma to another sacrifice will make here
say na President Kuffour
yes
say peninu kra friend ka say eh oba no ka kire no so ma wonko because of your one hide
exactly o ja na dwuma to was esan ba 2012 anko yi owie year 2012 anko yi na okọ mount box on Supreme Court na this year no way
that's the question
this year when no mo so no ye MPP this year no mo we na obi a yesi ono ya akoa enumo no ko dine mu defended the MPP party for close to a year
and MPP we need 2026 sir election petition no
yes
and no my MPP
exactly 2016 because I want the TRCS elections are won at the polling station
yes
and when the MPP you're sorry ya nibri yesterday be 2016 by hook or crook we need to win the election Emma you need that ho and making sure say yako we need and I will share pictures of doctor baby oko right in the campaign or so it will be very funny so Rebecca said he was honored
because 2016 crowd the president Kuffour crowd or home kakra because adwuma ni nyina be see Dr. Mahmoud
exactly
2016
and vice president Bekwa ni enya no memu ha when he said there was a time Kuffour crowd said only Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba menjuma no mo ye no oyo peni bia say and now see okwada obetimi ada so bia because on him say
onifa onu wonya na tibone
exactly that shows loyalty and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba me e wo ma the MPP party the MPP government and another Kuffour that's the loyalty of a play ama the New Patriotic Party now that's a brand
right
so be say oye hoho say ene obi kuta the citizenship of USA na say ene mo se mama no Ghana citizenship en ba kono meda ni Ghana enya krofo ya no mo say in 2008 omo no mo man no waiver e man no membership card. So granting him a membership card makes him a member of the party.
That's all. See, I wonder why I say and then penny will be to me be no akase.
Exactly.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Oya hoho
no be sumi.
Oya hoho say one man got granted membership card sa friend hoho. If na ko ni membership card dia. And obeka so nidi enka ye nhoma ho. Ba ni pay mama the membership card mo na mo se. So automatically the person becomes the member of the New Patriotic Party. Bawumia be active politics when Embra Yemano yeka obedane Nana Dankwa Kuffour running mate. Yeah. But proud to that, he was a sympathizer of the New Patriotic Party. And now me no kasi yonkrophobia. Omo bua party no behind the door.
Yeah.
Yonkrophobia omo dis omusike bua party no. Enti ochine bi nipa kro na unity. And ye the bia bi man obeka se na nipa oni ye nim no waye.
Yeah.
No kan ho. But that dia we nyina maybe na ni sika na mode ye de. Mode ye. Oka say yes you obi nto nsa enfa nhia ne busuefo mebo a. You think say Yera Kuffour akofo obi a ogidi say the person not a sympathizer of the New Patriotic Party, not some deputy governor. Deputy governor. And I do think that MPP so you better so in Pakono or your NDC near Kofa and some better than running mate. It never happened. You better Kofa NDC never running mate. This clearly shows that he was a sympathizer of the New Patriotic Party, but active politics there or Shasia in 2007, 2008. If see because obi your word there, and send your work ye Rafa the Blade. Ye Rafa the Blade. On Bawumia ye because Obia ba party ni mas Obia. Bawumia bedane a running mate in 2008. Freddie Blay ye because plus or minus joined MPP in 2009 and actively declared it in 2011.
Yeah.
But ye who say he is eligible, he is fit to become a vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. I'm on the contest year 7 years in team for the chairmanship. 7 years in team. And then year after the blue one actually MPP. But you kwa to abano. Ya toma year after the blue. So better than the
no saba.
You know why? MPP nya party yin sir. MPP ye party mo ye kase se obi nkyere obi ase wa asante a MPP. Eti na wo hwe a Yera Kuffour akwa contest. Even though the not way your friend say northerners e wo contest ni mu no no for ne to ma Yera Kuffour me wa.
Yeah. It's true.
Yera Kuffour do e kwa contest. He contested with obi to say Yera Ali Muhammad mo apreku mo ni mu nyina apreku from the Ashanti region. Yera Ali Muhammad from the northern region. But no for to my Yera Kuffour Asante for to my Yera Kuffour once Akuffour is a chimney MPP mu yenye yi mu enti enim de we free all of a sudden free mu o ye hoho on kan ho se bi no enka MPP ye blood ho enti so the BB says who the people so the BB sa ba as early as possible sakrawadwen and as a wontimi so a se bi we can say e kwan no wanim
now what
exactly because adia no enka MPP
yeah
ye bobre ho debi enka MPP ye bobre ho enti yes say Yera asante boating say as soon as possible no ombra na ombe apologize and me say the character bi apia na opesa o church mu
o church mo kan
o church and some of say it is needless
o church ma ko si sen
it is needless
asem no wa kan ni e dey say we enso ba be patch
simple
but to me MPP national executives so e do be a omo ya yemre kakra and some friend this man committee and nani chine ya
exactly oh they won't say ye issue letter be MPP national executive omo issue letter bi almost say the omo di associate omo at distance omo from asem o kai no it is not enough. It is not enough because me kai say you are bronya ekoka asem bi ye twene ko gina disciplinary committee eka say wakase tia a senior member of the MPP say sebi abo so no mpo onyansa sen meboa enti anu si atwe na akọ disciplinary committee na so obi so aka say a former vice president of the state a former running mate of the state or you can say of the MPP a former flag bearer of the MPP and now say obi be catch say sebi obesomoye now he doesn't fit to lead the new patriotic party. What do you say? No crowd bring the reputation friends of the MPP into disrepute.
Yeah, that Friday they were free and Akumia.
Yes,
and he was like, wow. Asante Boateng to me cancer. Because Nana Akumia is shocked because when some more campaign to say not on tea.
Yeah,
to say no creso cancer. And they were so kind. Yeah, none more be because I say honorable for your marking. Any minority caucus no. One free Asante Boateng training. We saw a good parliamentarians in answer.
We go MPP as a party because and American it brings the name of the party to disrepute. Yeah. Because right now, no, just imagine how people are perceiving MPPCC. How doubtful people are in the MPPCC. In Mebunu no more MPP mu and I say Mebunu no person be joining MPP no. Omo dwe say now chine bi be joining MPP. Me so answer na be buzam say da ben na me buy.
Means me ho me donko.
Yes. Da ben na me buy. And then that's all you bebunu na utie me ene. Now we are around 25, 20. Bawumia ba party ni mansa oba. Meboa. Say na Bawumia be ka catch and say we wo wo so buzan say da ben na we bedru so. Also ya wo.
Yes, the way you amuna.
Yes. Exactly. It's just mebunu na mutie me ene. Most of you, some of you being polling station executives. Mon twin sa de hu ye pa. Says Bawumia po awobeda active politician in 2008 awabua MPP. Your success in 2016, you can never talk about the story of our success in 2016 without mentioning Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. So onumpo ene yesi oye hokwa. Na wo bebunu no den and I den na obenyan den na ye be perceive about you. Enti party no as soon as possible no yen friend no ember disciplinary committee na yen twi nanim now way there is any this disciplinary action be a bit me take care against na yenye
na adisua
yes
ene kokobo
yes
because
it is not sending a good signal to the people of Ghana. It is not sending a good signal to the youth. And before the compo, you say can we say or kwa make some revelation. And to revelation on why all train MPP I believe you set up as a political party and as a leadership of the new patriotic party. Now,
Kasia Nasa Sembi said that one say so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or your ho ewo NPP mu. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or your ho ewo NPP mu. Oye Donko ewo MPP mu. Oye Akwa ewo NPP mu. Na otwi a etwa mu nra yi ense bebre na akoso na yebahwe na kan maako Kwaku Asante Boateng eye MP ewo Asante Achim South Obogu oko Adom FM akoya interview ho na ensem a wakeka no na no am say yawada se fiada no movement in the morning so dawro a boy actually and then person sa esisu bio because the manager bia na no ye adwuma obi wa studio no obonwa no afrem say da so be catch akwa ne say me bu fuba adwuma a obo me bu fuba me ohwe sa video no a obu be fu ntimi person sa abo biom anya bi akra sabio Kwaku Asante Boateng yakani na akani dia nka wo kasa broni be kasa oye measured kakra obi sasma me kan enzi so me ne film beba esa wo dwene ansa na be biwa no so kasa esa wo dwene ho ba ko mienu miensam no sasma wo ka no enkofa nim guase emre wo ankasa because Kwaku Asante Boateng se na nim guase pa wo Ghana ha nipa dodo na hunu se ni nyansen so the way I can in seminal. Said Dr. Bawumia, ensem fata se ono ne bedi party nanimu ebi se oye hoho obesome ye ka so obi besome dia na cheso pese o kasi ni pense Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya akoa simple enti o makofa no sa akoa de naba enom de yabesome ti ense se ye man position bia wakane de ya bu abia samwa emebi atwam no ye MP awan MPP mu obeye communications director awan MPP mu da ene adanya fafanto okono owu a manani nkanam namu eno no so akotena radio so eno oka Dr. Bawumia ya NDC ni ne yere Samira ensusu aye PNC ni enti adentina mabaje party no atawmani ase ya bu abia samwa yesere so ukotwa bia ukoyo nkwapia na abura ya fada because MPP no nka ho enti di obedi party na nimo no enye wasem enye UP no ena wase obepani mu wadi ena abetena radio so abekansi mu so ukoyo wonsa na abura no aprobe bia tena na ya ye party because MPP won ka ho ye nya nim se na ope MP e wo se adantan on se hene no Ajia Samira Bawumia abaye campaign ma ono a wo se onya MPP ni oye PNC ni nabusuafo nyina ye PNC fonti no ense se ye soso no so no obaye campaign ma ade ko win election ekoye MP eno no kan den there was a time and now yes spokesperson Emma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and is having a 7 wajimi now ni nyansa say oye ndisi ni ntense se okoye spokesperson ma no but oye ma no some now the who say when I hear Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia spokesperson because then say papa no oye ni monyamfo a wodi na chira and monyam no bi kan wo and never free na call baby no no na ko entina baby enke kansim hunu bia a ensem fata enchire MPP fo ye mpese no be nyasem bia na no kofitonto anzo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na kasama fo no bia akotwe no on Facebook efa emebuna nyame ya aduma wo hese o mbetu aba ede ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obi akwatwe ni post omo obi adi kwasi kwaten ena kasama Canada Japan chese Canada Japan team ni de bibia Bawumia no ayo bahin non sa akwatwe an emebunu no a wo moto abati ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2024 no wo mo awo ho eni okra no madwuma bie mu a wo metuna sa ato abati ya no bio meaning say they believe and I just me say I dey near prime minister Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be wini dey mo wini a dey mo no 2023 2024 no say dey tia no bi na so tanfo nye nyame enti ye mo ye no enya dey a e be fa hwe Kwakwa Santebo atense Dr. Bawumia abeson ya hye na ni monyam enti wonko ense so okotena konya kase no so Kwakwa Santebo aten se wadwene ya adwuma pa correct ya mamenka ka obibi Owura Freddy Blay oye CPP ni Oko parliament on the ticket of CPP Edu obi akire ana obe contest MPP first vice ana MPP for to abama no ana obe MPP first vice Ebra MPP mu ensamsam sorry ya party no a suspended national chairman Paul Afoko and general secretary Kabila Japan mu no then Owura Freddy Blay abaye acting chairman Emma MPP amanyuku no and later a coalition e MPP mu Emma ya to abama no Emma no be national chairman Kwakwa Santebo aten sabra no brother na say no wu na ni say Freddy Blay e ye hoho e no aba party mi ntiense say ye manusum say wanka Freddy Blay de na hu say Asantebo aten semfo na uta wo mo anya Dr. Bawumia na uta no e semfo na uta wo because obi a CPP ni a our parliament on the ticket of CPP efemu an but contest party no election no wan huni nyansa nka ho asem na obi a oya djuma on bank ya ono wan sheda nya politician waba party no nenne o ka we dia na chesesimfo na uta wo nya Bawumia na uta no ba Asante achim south for no esimfo so to aba ma pa because ho sabe framan fo ho wo so to aba ma na be ye MP nti yewu ye bibia na mudi nyansa kakra to ho nti ana
anti abusiafo enkyerkyeremu ni na da hoyi sese de otan no adoso ɛwɔ Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ɔne ne yere ɔmo side pa na asɛm America Dr. nye obi a sɛbi ɔbaa party wee mu ɔne ne yere baayɛ ne yere tena dan mu na ɛde contract ɛna ɛkɔmaa no daabi Dr. yɛ obi a sɛbi since ɔbaa party mu ɔne ne yere ɛna baayɛ ne yere a ne yɛsi ɔyɛ sɛbi foreigner no maame na yɛ adwuma paa maame wei yɛabɔ ne din in the corridors of this MPP and in politics for a very, 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 very long time. Adentia ene die. Canada Japan kwashe enkrofo binumachi a yebo maame Samira Bawumia edimbone. Die ben ena asie. Ni nyina ne se anibre otan hunu otan a nyansa enim otan a emfa nkoso emra yen ene nkrofo bi e portrait sabre ya me no kasai John Delegate Dramani Mahama say Ghana mine die wu ewia sika de o mine ekọ amena kesiem MPP fo binum so omo de saade na omo hu yo omo hu kra de omo ahu ni sese de omo mboma dane NDC fo ewo yemu ena fei ena omo bekyerɛkyerɛ sabio MPP fo binum ase baabi omo firi baabi omo abusua firi ene na asefo abusuafo Ghana for me my ma MPP fo amo ha MPP party no enye ntichemu na yede teye MPP party no enye yenka ne se abusuankuo bi ana tribe bi enko a ena party ye omo de party ye mene wu nyina ye dia MPP party ne foundation no was made up of United Party United Party na ye manfra amanyoku ahodo ene ye de ye enti se wote se obi so ye MPP ni royal oya dihye e wo MPP amanyoku om enti no nte ase die enti ase bi obi a onya asantini eba bedi animu a ka kire nipa no se ono na nkasa na okasa no onim amanyoku na osu na komadi akire no onim na bakosem ena onim babia sa amanyoku no fira oba bedroom pempenso a yewo mi nka me yaka se mpo no se nka yemfa ne se nipa ye ka omo ho asemi eye nipa binum a omo ho modene e wa amanyoku no ena omo ka de omo ka nka no ye betumi age atum accept for it to be done. But if we are talking about a nipa mienu a since 2016 since 2008 omo yi omo anim so omo ye party ma adwuma omo aye wo ya ababia samwa wo nye fa asante boache wo nye mu kota enkrofo mu dikene de Japan chi ankora bi aye wo omo nkyere ya de omo bedi awu nti omo jimi no adwuma Samira Bawumia ayo Dr. Bawumia ayo ewo party dine no. None of you guys have even the common knowledge to acknowledge that. But moreover, you are there playing a tribal card. Now, for the benefit of the doubt, Samira Bawumia, oyo, man can't Kennedy upon you na the president here, didn't you friend watching him no. Samira Bawumia 2016 campaign. No jamu den pa. In 2016, 208, 2012, 2016. Samira Bawumia has always been on the ground campaigning seriously for the MPP party. Enti mo nena mo da sorry And the man was a man for Bunmi and Manfrafua. The youth in the party, a better must say, we are this year. No nimunyansa any adrenia, yemfa near kunya, and money ye. So ye this year, no new honey, won't send fata, a kunyano, a bemana bafauso, and their command pafufra, utini honey. Some of you, these leaders, in painful wenum. She said, "What transima Jimmy and Doctor Moa to the point." She said, "What shall see a molusu? Your credibility is on lie." And she said, "Some ya this year, some of your four founders of the party, some of them kofa by you, some of them the musika ye debe yem famo ho, ye nyo bia." Said the mo kawanye this year, nanso sefata se obedi ade. Ye dremeba. Ama more, you guys will come back and bow down your head in shame. One hopes na do na wie ye no. Hopes na was close to power. But Jiminti and na wie. That is what we are talking about. With the young koden ko se mira bawumia abra na babasia onam all your campaign amu edene. Nene. Nkrofo be ma pie te se emire. In soto we are no pa, in Mercedes Cipiano, and Uncle ma pray all of a sudden from nowhere. Almost all young people for baby MPP MPP are there. Young can always seminar about me years back. Your banny didn't come on.
Samira Bawumia in 2016. Have a look.
NDC 4 Sika Koya bus branded. Omode millions omode to so Ghana for soon. Yes, more boy a chrono, more boy a bro, munjai sa munche contracts and sign. And almost say musu cry a ben more. Namon anything. Says we try when you show baby NDC flag, President Mama poster, NDC or more branding Ghana and you branding. The youth of this country, we are saying to the NDC that we see you all right. You want us to see you? We see you, but we see incompetence. We see you, but we see corruption. We see you, but we see mismanagement. We see you, but we see bad governance. We see you, but we want change. We see you, but we want Ghana to move forward. That is why I have decided, and all the youth of this country, and all the well-meaning people of this country are saying, we need an incorruptible leader. We need a competent leader. We need a selfless leader. We need a visionary leader. We need a leader with good judgment. We need a leader who is selfless and loves this country more than his pocket. We need Nana other than Kuffour.
That was something.
Yeah, way a shortcut piece of what Samira Bawumia did to John Dariga Dramani Mahama. Mibisa says Sabe na Yabwabia Samoa or Tenfa. Yabwabia Samoa ni Asante Boachi. Namu Mo unse mamu no ye donko. Non semfata. Enti ni kwanse nkamama na kwanya mani ko gyina de hye nim kasa de kire amansan. O ma wie. Mo ahoma wie. Yese. Se yedi nimdie yedi nidie maun. Na wanye wo ho se de wo se fata nim anidia. Your end no always become laughable. Eno ena atomone. Eno enene asha asia. Mo ankasa modi manumu nsem expose say mun hia mun deserve se edi nidie ebe mamo. Abusiafo ebe mamo good Sunday na me de mo ahia. Ebe san ahia bi ma me dan na pia me chia opa. Nwe kwasi asama wo nso me chia oye pa. Still we say me chia kwaku AJ Michel, Kwaku Bento Michel, Muba Akimoman Michel, Gabasa Hamba Michel, Monsolen Training Powder, Paulina Ade, Michacha Munina. With the Mumbasia, na Yasinsia. Say no to tribal bigotry. Say no to any discriminatory commentary in the party called MPP. Meeting any Mr. Mafo. Makramunina, until we meet again, adios.